If you've ever clicked a link or typed a web address, you've used a URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Think of it like a street address, with each portion of the URL as a different part of the address, providing different information. A URL begins with the scheme, which tells your browser what type of address it is. The most common ones are HTTP and HTTPS, which is used when extra security is needed. Your browser usually hides the scheme to reduce clutter, and typically you don't need to include it. The main part of the URL is the domain name. This will often tell you the company that runs the site, such as Amazon or Facebook. The domain name begins with a subdomain. www is one of the most common examples, and it can often be omitted. But there are other subdomains that need to be included, like this, which leads to the accounts page for ninjagear.com. The rightmost part of the domain name is the top-level domain. .com is the most common one, and you can see it on any type of site. There are many other types of top-level domains used for educational institutions, organizations, government sites, and even specific countries. After the domain name, a URL may have a file path, which directs the browser to a specific page within the site, like this page for a burrito costume, or this one for a toothbrush costume. Some URLs may include a parameter string or an anchor. A parameter string begins with a question mark and provides the server with information to load the correct web page. An anchor begins with a hashtag and directs your browser to a specific part of a long page. Let's see what we can learn from this URL. The domain name tells us it's Wikipedia. The parameter indicates it's probably about burritos. And the anchor shows that we're looking at a section on breakfast burritos. So now you know the most common parts of a URL.